Hello everyone. If you are connecting Google Calendar to GoHighLevel and you are not sure whether to choose default sync or two-way sync, this video will help you. First, let's see how to find the sync preferences setting. Click on Calendars from the left side menu. Next, click Calendar Settings. Then click on Connections. If you haven't connected your Google account yet, click Add New, select Google Calendar and complete the connection. Once connected, scroll down to Calendar Configuration and open Advanced Settings. Here you will find the Sync Preferences option. Now let's see what these two options actually do. Default sync is mainly used to protect your availability. For example, if you add a personal event in Google Calendar, such as a doctor appointment or a family event, GoHighLevel will automatically block that time so nobody can book you during those hours. However, GoHighLevel will only block the time, it won't create contacts or appointments inside your CRM. Two-way sync goes one step further. It still blocks your busy times, but it also allows Google Calendar and GoHighLevel to share information with each other. For example, if you create an event in Google Calendar and add a guest email address, GoHighLevel can automatically create a contact record for that person inside your CRM. This is why many business owners use two-way sync when they want both systems to stay updated automatically. Once you have selected the option that fits your business, click Save. That's it. Your Google Calendar and GoHighLevel Calendar are now connected and configured correctly. If you would like to try GoHighLevel, I have added a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.